Hey, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create better bullet list into your GoHighLevel pages. Okay, so by default when you are creating a bullet list, that actually looks like this. Okay, you can see this example here. Okay, in this example we have a bullet list, but we can make this bullet list a little bit cleaner version and easy to read option. Okay, you can see before it was like this, and now we just make a little bit touch on it with the custom code snippet, and then now it looks like this. Okay, so let me show you how we can do this for our GoHighLevel. It's pretty simple and easy to use code snippet. Okay, so I'm going to show you. So here I added a bullet list. Okay, so let me do it from scratch so that you can see what I'm doing and how we can do this. Okay, so I just take a row. Inside that I take a 2 column, and at the left column, let's say we are going to add bullet list, and at right column, let's say we added an image. Okay, so for the bullet list, let me copy this content, and then I will use this as our bullet list content. Okay, so you can see here when by default we are creating bullet list, and then it looks like this. We need to give some extra space between all those lines and between all those bullet points, right? So what we should do, just select the bullet point and then go to the advanced tab. You will see the option called line height. Okay, so just increase this line height a little bit, and you will see the gap is increased also. Okay, so in this case let me make this 1.6. okay, but if I want to show you the previous one I made, then I used 1.4 as my line height. Okay, but the thing is, you can see even we made the line height 1.6, or if we make it 2.4 or whatever, it actually add line height in every single line, no matter what bullet point it is. Okay, but it's not works like this. You can see here the line height. Okay, the line height, the gap is between the two bullet point is a bit bigger than the line height from line to line, from the paragraph or from the text. Okay, that is actually what we are going to fix in this video, and I'm going to show you how you can do this. Okay, so first of all we need to make the actual line height we want to use. Let's say in this case I want to use 1.5 as my line height for the text paragraph, and for the bullet point, for each of the bullet point we actually want to add a margin, a little bit gap. Okay, so what I should do, just select the bullet point list and then scroll down. You will get an option called CSS selector. Okay, you will see this here. So just click here to get this, and then go to the custom CSS and then add this. And after that, just right after the selector you add ul then li, so which means it's an unordered list with the content. Okay, so now I'll just add curly braces. Okay, here is the yes, and then we will add some margin. Okay, so it's actually up to you how much margin you want to add, but in my case I am going to add margin bottom 20 pixel or 25 pixel, let's say 25 pixel, and we also add it important. Okay, it's important, it's not mandatory, but if you have any other code snippet that can override this, so the important tag will do that. Okay, so that's why I just added important. Okay, so let's see how it actually works. Okay, now you can see here by default we have 1.5 pixel line height. Okay, here for each of the different lines, and then 25 pixel margin bottom for each of the bullet point, and we can change the bullet list also if we want. Let me show you. So let me show you how to do that. To do that, all users need to select the bullet points and then just scroll down a little bit, and then you will find the option to put your bullet list. Okay, so if I put check mark, we will get some options like this. Okay, check mark, let's say I'm going to use this one, and then we can change the color also as per our requirement. Okay, so that's how you can actually make a better bullet point in your GoHighLevel. It's pretty simple and easy to use code snippets. So I think you get the idea how you can do this and how you can implement this on your GoHighLevel. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then feel free to subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to join our GHL SaasKits community, which is completely free. You will get the link into the description of this video. Thank you very much again. Have a nice day.